Welcome to the unboxing of Rabbit One. Just before we start, let's put the right attire on. Okay, now I'm all well protected. Let's start. Oh man, I can't breathe. Okay, here we go. Everything is packed neatly, as you can see here. Rabbit One comes in a plastic case. And then there's a cover on it, but where? How to get it off? It's somewhere. I can see it, but I don't know how to unwrap it here. Just a second. Give me a second here. Okay, no. Okay, now. Okay, I think I'll have to take that offline. Okay, now I got it unwrapped. Okay, let's open this plastic box. It's from maybe. No, it's gonna break that way. No, it's on the side. No, it's very. Why is that hard? It's. Okay, let me take that offline again. Okay, I'll come back and see how to open that. It's. Oh man, why is it? Okay, now I know. There's here on the top here. Now you can take the Rabbit One out of the box. Now you can see it's nice orange. It's not very big. Portable. It has its charging port right there, and it has only one button to operate in a scroll button. Okay, of course, as always, you have to update it, the firmware. It took some time to connect it to a Wi-Fi. The keyboard's a little bit awkward. Anyway, it's downloading here, and I charged up, and there you go. We have our Rabbit One ready to go. What would it do? How can I use it? Well, subscribe and watch out for more videos to come. See ya.